Despite what most people think, Luna is a low-ranking cryptocurrency with a current value of 0.557591 and a market capitalization of 189.083,663. This is despite the fact that over the past few years, cryptocurrencies like Luna have gained a lot of traction in the global financial world and are now traded like traditional currencies like stock. Forex in a very important way, and some big financial backers even see crypto as a good way to protect against the world economy's rapid growth and the problems that come with it. Retail financial backers and dealers are very interested in digital currencies like Luna because this seems to be the most open financial market where different resources have the potential for 100x to 1000x increases in a short amount of time without being noticed. These kinds of profits are hard to come by in most other business sectors, which is why most people are interested in digital currencies. Luna is a low-ranking digital currency because it is ranked 97th in the world. This is measured by multiplying the current price by the market capitalization of the digital asset, which is still uncertain because of Luna. As opposed to what most people think, the importance of this limit will become clear over time, especially later. Our cost expectation calculation truly is planned in sort of such a manner that it ceaselessly screams both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to basically furnish our supporters with the most reliable data on the truly present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to satisfactorily sort of evaluate the condition of their portfolio and in every practical sense choose whether or not it actually needs to in a real sense be reconfigured in a quite large manner. Our calculation additionally really focuses on verifiable information which in a real sense is really fundamental for the kind of right assessment of both truly current and expected market structure and the evaluation of its most certainly present and future course, showing how over the sort of past essentially couple of years digital forms of money, including Luna, laid out by and large solid traction in the worldwide monetary world and explicitly are currently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, wares, and unfamiliar monetary forms. Forex lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking underneath, you will generally find certainly key extracts of this authentic information with the goal that you also could sort of have a comprehension of where the Luna market generally is going, which is very huge. Recently on August 4th, Luna fundamentally was esteemed at 0.556217 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. In every practical sense, recollect that digital currencies basically or exchange day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. in every practical sense significant way. The cost change rate wise over the said period added up to 0.50 kind of, as opposed to prevalent thinking 7 days. Prior on July 29, Luna was exchanged at 0.608632 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that sort of near its most certainly present position on July 5, which in a real sense was precisely a month prior. The examiners exchanged Luna at 0.608810, the cost level that in every way that really matters is at the distance of 8.41 from where it right now stands. The price of Luna and the fix readings aren't the only things we look at when making price predictions. Market capitalization, in particular, is a very important metric that helps traders figure out how popular the digital currency is and what its future prospects are. This is very important, and it's also used to evaluate the offer. Most of the time, the current price of the money being talked about is the same as its market capitalization. As of the time of this writing, the market capitalization of Luna remains at 189.083,663, which makes it the 97th largest coin on the digital currency market. More recently, on August 4, the market capitalization of Luna stayed at 187,846.22, which made it the 96th largest coin on the market. 7 days before, on July 29, Luna's market value was 203.089,719 Ursidai knew exactly how much it was worth a month before, on July 5. When the dots were connected, the amount of money flowing into and out of this very specific market was about $187,846,560. Since we've already talked about how to figure out the market capitalization, they thought it would be best to devote a part of this report to the stock of Luna. The most valuable stock, which usually refers to the number of coins that would be made on a certain blockchain during its time in existence. The truly all-out supply, which refers to the number of coins that have been delivered since the start of the project. The circling supply, which clearly refers to the number of coins that are ready to be used, and a few other words that are mostly traded on trade stages. Luna's total supply is still at zero for 262,701 coins, which is a very important fact. Most of the time, the amount of the digital coin being looked at is 339,108,307. This Luna cost prediction is really important for Luna. Walden wouldn't be quite done without the description of the trading volume available question, since that's the measure that almost all digital currency merchants use to judge the strength of the trend and its practicality. Bitcoin price prediction as BTC falls to support level of $26,000, by the dip? In the ever-changing world of cryptocurrencies, the price of Bitcoin is currently around $26,051. On Tuesday, it went down by 0.25%. Even though the way the market works is still changing, recent events and factors have caught the attention of both buyers and fans. Legalizing U.S. penalties against the Tornado Cash cryptocurrency platform is a big deal. This is a big deal in terms of regulatory measures. Also, Craig Wright's claims that there are billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin have been met with skepticism and rejection by the group of people who work on Bitcoin. In the middle of all of this, the growing popularity of ordinary transactions is making NFT supporters question the supposed fall of Bitcoin. Bitcoin's price change is being looked at in the context of this complex mix of factors, which raises the question of whether the current drop is a good time to make smart purchases. Sanctions against the Tornado Cash cryptocurrency platform are approved by a U.S. judge. The BTC/USD exchange rate is going down because a federal judge backed U.S. penalties against Tornado Cash, a decentralized cryptocurrency platform. The U.S. Treasury Department put sanctions in place last year because of allegations of money laundering and helping harmful cyber activities. This made people even more worried about the effects of regulation on the crypto industry. Also, the fact that Coinbase is paying for the case shows how hard it is to find a balance between privacy and following the rules when it comes to cryptocurrencies. As traders think about the bigger effects of more government involvement, the market's reaction shows a cautious attitude. The fall of BTC/USD is in line with wider worries in the decentralized finance sector and shows the ongoing tension between crypto innovation and regulatory oversight.